Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up for about 45 minutes. However, there's some potential for some pre-market trading here. Watching NVRO have an initial order to short at 55.85, just 100 shares. This one can be a very, very fast mover. So I'm just definitely easing in and going to control risk, from that perspective of things. So I'll do my best to capture this entry point if it does happen. A little tricky during pre-market. I'm doing emails and other stuff, but I'll keep an eye on it and we'll see what happens with it. If this thing peters out, then I'll just see you back at the open. I have an order at 20.01 on a TORC. Maybe it's got a chance. It's represented by that green line right there. 100 shares. So again, just very, very small, but this one can move fast. Market opens up here in about 7 minutes. So yeah, it's actually getting pretty close. Can it actually get down there? I do actually want to put out a 1950 order just in case it breaks down through there, along with a 1975 order. Well, and now it's right back to 70. So as you can see, this thing is jumping around quite a bit. So yeah, let's see if it can get down to 20 or not. I'll keep an eye on it. All right, I changed my first order to 1975. Nice, got those. We'll look to try to pick up some more. Next order is at 1950. I do have an order out at 2015. So let's see if they want to fill me there at 1950. Market opens up in less than a minute. Nice, got those. Okay, now I have 267 shares. Now don't do that. So we'll see if I can get those out at 1995. Yeah, that gave me 67 of 100 on my 1925 attempted buy. So we'll see. Let's see, market opens up, should be any second. All right, so out. That was kind of a buzzkill. So $111 on that, but I don't want to be done with it yet. So let's go down to 1875 as my next first entry. So just double checking. And then we'll go to 1850. So if this thing wants to continue to pull back, then I'll play that. But I'm going to look around and see what else is out there. But yeah, quick, nice little 112 start. And now it's bouncing more, but I'll keep an eye on it. All right, last I checked TORC, it was actually moving up. And then I must have lost track of it because now it's actually down here below 18. So I'd actually below 19. I had canceled some of my orders. But now I'll look to get involved again if it wants to pull back some more. First order at the $18 mark. GM is just getting hammered right now. But that one's kind of, for me at least, that one's tricky to trade. So, but let's see if, there we go. See if I can get down to 18 or not. I'll pick up some more at 1775, 1750 in case there's a bigger flush. Let's see if it can get down there. Again, 100 shares, but you saw on fast moving stocks, with 100 shares, I made that quick 112 bucks. So it's just all about understanding the context of things. I do have a couple orders out there on VRAY and GRUB. So potentially those could get filled while I'm paying attention to this one. But we'll see what happens. All right, change my order, or I should say my first order down to 1775. So there's the break. 5 cents away. Okay, never mind. You're going to change that to 1750 now. Looking like it might try to turn around without even hitting 1775. We'll see though. Okay, there's that break. Let's see if it can get down to 1750. Well, I was looking for a little bit more of a cleaner flush down through there. I'll give it a little bit more opportunity, so I'll go ahead and pause. All right, change that order to 1725. Nice, got those. We'll look to pick some up at 1675 if it wants to pull back. And then also 1655. So just 100 shares. So by no means anything huge. So let's see what this wants to do. I'd like to see a breakdown through 17 so I can try to pick up some more shares down there. Let's see what it wants to do here. Basically, if it hits that green line there, I am in the green. Oh my goodness. All right, there we go. So just decided to give me the, what was that, $25. And bummer. Hit 17, just didn't quite break through it. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one, and if it wants to break down through 17, I'm going to keep my orders out there. We'll keep 1655 as that current one. So I'm going to keep on looking. All right, I'm actually a little discombobulated here. It broke in a hurry, but I did not get filled. I mean, it was literally up, almost getting ready to break through 18, and all of a sudden it was down here below 16 or below 17. So yeah, let's. Well, given the way that was so violent, I'm going to go down to 1625 for this first entry point now. So let's see if it wants to break down through there or not. You know, actually last time, so let's do 15. And yes, I am kind of talking myself a little bit. That's okay, all of us traders are all crazy. So 1615 will be that next initial entry point. Just in case there's a bigger flush, let me get a 1575 out there too. And a 1555. So like I said, that move was crazy. So the key break here is going to be that 1650 mark. So let's see if it can get down through there or not. I will go ahead and pause. All right, there was the break. Like I said, I'm at 1615. Okay, so I'm in there. Let's see if I can get a breakdown below the $16 mark to pick up some more size, which I did not get last time. Great, there's all sorts of noises going on right now. So if you hear something buzzing, I think that's the mosquito squad. I live out in the country, in the woods, so mosquitoes are pretty rough, so we always have things sprayed. So actually, let me go close my window real quick. I'll leave the video running so you can see. All right, looks like I'm still in. There's the break. Let's see if I can get some at 1575. Just going to adjust that order up to 1635 now. Nice, got those. So my average now is 1595. Let's see if I can get those at 15. Nice. See if I can build some down around this area. So have an order at $15.95 and all out there for those 300 shares at 95. So let's see, up to 176. If this thing wants to pull back, then I'm ready to start the sequence all over again. We'll go with 15.15 as my next first entry point. But yeah, as long as this thing wants to keep on pulling back, I am totally interested. So I'll keep an eye on it. All right, have an order at 88.50. Again, just 100 shares. This one can be a very, very fast mover. Oh, V-Ray's coming back to life. Let's check out this one. Oh, nice. So let's go up to 12.15. So we'll see whichever one wants to potentially fill me first. It's looking like V-Ray may be it. Need to get this alerted in the chat room again. Okay, alerted in the chat room. So let's see if we can make some money on it. Again, 12.15 can be the first entry point there. I will keep you updated. All right, there's the break of 12. Got up as high as 12.13. Shoot, so 2 cents off. All right, I'm going to go ahead to 12.25 now. So let's see if it can get up to 12.25 or not. Nice. In. I'm very confused. Oh, 12.15. Bozo. All right, well, that worked out a tad bit better because I'm an idiot and typed in the wrong number. So yeah, there was a mistake that went in my favor. So let's go to 12.35 now, double checking since I apparently can't type in the right order. So there we go. 12.35 for you longer time viewers. You know, you were very familiar with me making stupid errors, which is why I try to say double checking. Let's see, we're at 12 minutes, 20 minutes in on the day, up to 67. So for, yeah, 20 minutes worth of quote unquote work, I'll take that all day long, but it's not looking like this one is over yet. So I will keep an eye on it and I'll keep you posted. Okay, I have an order at 60.50 here on NVRO. Got up as high as 60.25 on that break. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. I'll keep you updated. All right, I adjusted that order up to 60.85. This one's a pretty quick one. Quick mover, that is. So I'll do my best to capture the entry point if it looks like it might happen. All right, 61.45 is where I have the order now. So there's the break of 61. Let's see if it can get up to 45 or not. I will keep you updated. Okay, VRAY, all of a sudden back in play. Popped up on my scanners again, so I have an order at 12.65 to go short for my initial entry. If it wants to get back up there, I'll keep you updated. NVRO is now moving. So let's go back to this one. I don't remember what that order is at. Oh yeah, 61.90. So it got up as high as 61.50. Okay, V-Ray's moving again. Back and forth we go. So let's just go check out V-Ray. There we go. My order is at 12.65, so the key break is going to be the 12.50 mark, although I'm thinking about potentially hopping in there up at that original spot at 12.45. Just try to get that quick $25 bill, which seems quite possible. Although NVRO is now moving again. So I'll just throw out another order on that one just in case at 62.50 if it wants to get up there. So double checking. So there we go. Orders all over the place. So let's see if V-Ray wants to get back up to 12.45 or not. Might have missed that one. All right, I will pause. Well, we're almost at 15 minutes. I'm going to pause. All right, order at 12.45 here on VRAY. It's been rejected by there several times, but even if it doesn't, it's just a small 500 share lot, so it gives me plenty of room to work. So let's see if it can get up there and fill me. All right, never mind. Don't like how that's pausing around like that. So let's go to 12.60. So yeah, let's see if it can break up through 12.50 or not. I will keep you updated. All right, 1250 trying to get broke. Get broke, be broken, I think is the proper English. Never mind. Okay, going for some shares here at 1375. Got down as low as 1387. So I'll see if it can get down there or not. Looking at the time, almost an hour into the day. So an hour of quote unquote work for 267. I'll take it. And I'm just going to wrap things up here as we're at 15 minutes. And if that order gets filled down at 1355, then we'll just see what happens with it. But if you do like these videos and want me to keep on making them, easiest way to communicate that to me is to click that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, perhaps in this video you were wondering what I was talking about when I said I got to go alert the chat room. That is just a service that I offer only $99 per year, not per month, not per quarter, none of that garbage, just per year. So you can go and check that out at claytrader.com. That is the inner circle. If you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and just how to apply them to trading, again, you can go to claytrader.com. I do offer training courses there on how to do all that. So thanks again for watching. And like I said, if you want me to keep making these, easiest way to communicate that to me is just simply click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.